The Super Bowl is right around the corner. Whether you're in it for the game, commercials, or the food, it's likely the little ones may not be as into the whole experience as you are. Don't leave them hanging. Instead, why not give them some other games to focus on? Here's a simple magnetic board you can perfectly hang anywhere around the house. For the tic-tac-toe board, you'll need a 24-inch by 24-inch piece of galvanized metal, X's and O's from the craft store, chalkboard paint, metal primer, and some white vinegar. We washed the metal with vinegar so it would accept the paint better, then primed and painted the game board with chalkboard paint. And for the X's and O's, we picked up some lightweight wooden letters from the craft store, then painted them white and added self-adhesive magnets to the back. Another popular game that's easy to DIY is a custom-built jumbo tumble tower. You'll need 6 8-foot 2x4s, a miter saw, some 100 grit sandpaper, and acrylic paint. Use the miter saw to cut the 2x4s into 48 pieces, each 10.5 inches in length. Then sand to smooth out the sides and edges. Add some color by painting the ends with your acrylic paint, then stack them up and play. When they need a break from the games, give them the perfect spot for a snack with a kid-sized picnic table. You'll need 4 1x6x8s and 1 2x4x10 of pressure-treated wood. Cut some of the 1x6s at an angle for the legs. The rest will be used as the bench and the tabletop. For more details to complete this project and all of the projects mentioned in this video, be sure to click on the links below for additional step-by-step guides and videos. Let us know in the comment section below if you tried out any of these projects or created your own kid-friendly project.